This is Recycled Workshop, and today we're going to build a cat house. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go around and find the materials that we need to make this happen. We have an old cooler. I cut out a separator. I've also got a flap. Grab a chunk of pipe insulation.
Hi guys, today we're going to be building a cat house because in our backyard over there we saw a gray cat and we are going to make it a house out of, so we're going to cut a hole out of this, then we're going to put a roof thing on it so it can protect rain, then we're going to cut this out for a little bed, and then we'll cut some more of this out for a couch.
Alright, Liam, are you ready to do this one? Go get the vacuum. That way we won't have a mess.
Dad, you can stay down here.
I think I'll probably need to help you with the vacuum. We're going to do the next step. We're going to put this in, go over it, and then get into this spot where the cushion is. So you can see I actually put screws in here to hold it in place. And then I'm going to seal this up, and this is what it looks like when you have Littles help you seal it up. He's doing a great job. The goal is just to seal off the air as much as we can. Pull apart part of the cushion. I was gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna see if this fits first. As I do this, I think it might actually even stay. It feels pretty secure, so I'm just gonna leave it as is and add the canopy. I salvaged these screws off of the inside of the cooler. This is tin that was just left over from another project. So. All it needs to do, keep the water out, protect the cat as much as it can. So last step we're gonna have is just to make sure that when we put this out there, we seal it up. So I'm gonna use Gorilla Tape for that, but I don't have that here today. So that's okay. We'll get it out there soon enough. Thanks for joining me today on Recycled Workshop. Now, keep in mind, we're not the first to build something like this, and there's other plans out there if you don't like my design, but the goal was to create a little house for a cat, and we accomplished that. It didn't cost anything, and it could make all the difference for that cat that's out there. So, plus, we always want to encourage our littles to get out there and build.
This is a bed that's here. Yeah. Then we're going to fill cat food and water in here.
Yeah.
Oh, and I don't know her name, but her name is going to be Whiskers.